So, hello guys, welcome to another video. Yeah, today I filming this video along with my phone, and this is the arrival time of the cyclone Remel, and everyone seems to be at home, and you can see from the flag you can understand that the breeze is so powerful, and you can see how the trees are very much be shaken by the wind. Yeah, this is the arrival time. I know this strong, maybe very much strong, and that can very much destructive as well. Who knows what happened after one day? I filmed this video so you, yeah, so beautiful. So that's for all. Thanks for watching.